Hey everybody, in this video, I'll cover options premium, or what we call pricing, and how intrinsic value affects its pricing. Hey, I'm Lily, and I'm a retiree trader, and I provide options trading especially to retirees who fear that they will outlive their savings by helping them to become financially independent so that they don't have to depend on their children. What is an option premium or pricing? It basically has intrinsic value and extrinsic value. And in this video, I'll cover intrinsic value, which is comprising of market price less option strike price. So in this example of Apple, the intrinsic value for strike price 1 to 5 at market value 1 to 7.35 is 2.36. So if you look at the intrinsic value for strike price here at the bottom with long DTE, date to expiry in September 2022, for 62 days away, it remains no change at 2.36. On June the 12th, when compared to expiry date, 18 June 2021. Intrinsic value for put is 0 for strike price 1 to 5 because it is out of the money. So when out of money, there is no intrinsic value. So this white portion here, you can see here, is actually out of the money. The pinkish here or orangey here is actually in the money. Yeah. So let's say if we were to buy a call and pay 17.20, the intrinsic value remains no change at 2.36. I hope I have brought you value in this video, and I hope you can like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video where I will cover extrinsic value. See you then.